Hey everyone, and welcome back to Jerk Tavern. Today we're cooking up something comforting and delicious: Jamaican brown stew ribeye steak. It is tender, juicy, and full of island flavor. We're starting off with some thinly ribeye steak. We seasoned it with our favorite Jamaican spice. The recipe and exact measurements will be linked in the description bar below. We start off first by drenching our steak into some mushroom soy sauce. We're using this as our binding agent, but it makes it so flavorful. After that, we added the dry rub and just gave it a toss. You can definitely marinate this overnight to infuse all that flavor, or at least 3 hours. We are just going to chop up some sweet peppers, some scallion, some thyme, garlic, ginger, the whole works for this recipe. You might be wondering, why ribeye steak when oxtail, stew beef, or chicken are usually the stars of the show when it comes to brown stew? Here is why ribeye is such a good choice. It is tender and juicy. It's one of the most tenderest part of the beef. It is also rich in flavor. It has a natural marbling of fat which melts during cooking and adds richness to the stew. Not to mention, it is quick to cook. Unlike stew beef or oxtail, ribeye cooks in the fraction of time while still giving you that nice, hearty, beefy stewy flavor. This will definitely be in your weekly rotation because it's a comfort food and a version that feels like a cross between a nice Sunday dinner and a restaurant style steak. After you have diced up everything, including your carrots and your potatoes, add some oil to your pot and add in some garlic, scallion, pimento, and a hot scotch bonnet. That will infuse flavor inside of your oil. Remember, we do flavors on top of flavors here on Jerk Tavern. Sear your steak on both sides. Then we're just gonna add in all of our diced up ingredients and let that cook down low and slow until the meat is tender and the sauce thickens beautifully. We added some ketchup to this and a little more water, seasonings, and let it cook down. This Jamaican brown stew ribeye steak is the best of both worlds. The richness of the ribeye steak combines with the deep, comforting flavors of the classic brown stew. This dish will feel like Sunday dinner, but come quickly together for a weeknight meal. If you learned and loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next recipe.